Hello, this is our team Creators Hub, and for this hackathon, we are submitting a solution in the theme of blockchain for better life. So basically, in this, like for every sustainable development goal, we are following a sustainable development goal of 13. Take urgent actions to combat climate change and its urgent impact. So basically, our solution is a creation of end-to-end platform for carbon emissions tracking, then creation of carbon footprints calculation in real time at the national, company and citizen level. So and also once the footprints are calculated, our utility can be powered by our platform. So let's see our whole flow chart and then we will go for in depth of every step involved. You can see like the first step of our solution is create for every level we have creation of carbon emissions, and for every carbon emission at maybe at the national level or the private level or the individual level, we will be calculating the carbon footprints based on the blockchain data that we will be having in the smart contracts. And once the footprints are calculated by the logic that is stored in the smart contracts, the data will be stored on the our blockchain system that is decentralized and immutable, so that it cannot be changed. And so the next step in our platform is, once the carbon footprints are calculated, we will based on the logic again in the smart contract that we will be decided by the regulations in the beginning only, so that will convert the carbon assets or credits from carbon footprints based on the logic based in the blockchain. So basically, this step promotes use of reduction of use of carbon footprint, so that there will be more assets associated with that. And after the carbon assets are created, like that will be at all the three levels: national level, private level, individual level, that can be traded for carbon trading. That means we can trade our carbon credits with carbon trading, and that can be used for purchase of utilities or maybe tax and everything other details can be there. So once the trading is done, and so one more thing in Paris climate sessions, like carbon taxation was discussed before, but we don't have a robust system of carbon footprint tracking and carbon assets. So once this system is implemented in the our hackathon, then the carbon taxation can also be implemented. And since it is a smart contract based blockchain system, there will be no human intervention, and based on the logic directly, like these number of credits are there or footprints are there, and then we can specify the logic based on the standardization. So carbon taxation can be stopped there. So this will help the world to sustainable goal of climate change reductions. And lastly, we have the analytics and reporting. So basically, once the all these carbon assets and carbon footprints are calculated, we can create a heat map of analytics and reporting that will be used for future prediction, like in which country or in which area we can reduce the carbon emissions by artificial intelligence and other related things. Now let us look at in depth of one of the carbon footprints, how it will be calculated. So as you can see here, so this is the carbon enabled carbon footprint solution, blockchain enabled carbon footprint solution. So basically in this, for we are taking example of supply chain only, but this does not mean this solution cannot be extended to other solution also. This solution can be extended to other solutions also. So let's consider this case, like there will be scope 1, scope 2, and they will be directly factories. So basically we have electricity and other sources, we have fuel consumption and other sources, and then we have the supply chain and other things directly in the this factory. So basically, let's first go with the problems with the traditional problem. So traditional problem is like people will go to these particular places, and it will like taking the manual recordings of that, and then after that it will be like Excel sheet or some reports, and from their reports it will be in the central cloud storage. So as you can see, this is like manual inputs are there, security and expensive, all these things are drawbacks are there, so this should not be there. So now we introduce a blockchain based footprint equipment. So the fuel consumption and all will be directly captured by IoT monitors, and the power consumption and other things will be IoT monitor. Smart meters can be there. So all this data can be stored in the blockchain using the smart contract logic as we have discussed before. And that is like, and the features of blockchain like immutability, transferability, lower cost, these things are there. And once this is created, like carbon footprint readers can be created in the real time without any hassle, and that user can start using for carbon marketplaces. So this was one of the use case of that, and all other details are there in the document that we are publishing in the in the hackathon submission guidelines. So you can go through it and you will get a whole picture of how exactly we are going to solve the solution. Thanks.